Morning, good morning. You guys able to hear me? You guys able to hear me? Yes, no, maybe so. Let a brother know. You guys hear me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, no. Yeah, hear me? Yes. I think they can. You. Good morning, good morning. I bet. All I ask. We got economic data. We got initial jobless claims at 8:30. We got U.S. trade balance. We got a couple Feds speaking from 10 all the way to like 2 p.m., 7:30. So we got general claims at 8:30. We got U.S. trade balance. Let's see how the market reacts to that. All right. Let's get straight to the point. All right. So ES is currently up 0.28%. The NASDAQ is up 0.42%. The Dow is up plus 0.22%. And the Russell is up 0.21%. I always like to look and see how the futures are looking, see which one is showing strength, which one is showing weakness. All right, now let's go look at the ES, guys. You guys can see here ES. For me, for calls, I need the S&P ES. I need it to break 5288.75. I need it for a break and retest, and you can look for calls. It has room up into 5321. So again, ES, a break and hold over 5288.75. And look for calls. It has room up to 5321.5. And to the downside, I would say a failure to hold over 5279.25, then it has room down to 5245.25. So a failure to hold over 5279.25, 5279.25, and it has room down to 52.45. Now it's for the ES. Let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, I would need for it to open over 184.51. An open and hold over this level. And you guys can look for calls. It has room up into 185.35. Remember, if you want to play the NASDAQ, you have to take QQQ. QQQ follows the NASDAQ. So if you want to take some QQQ calls, by all means, I would say an open and hold over 184.51. It has a look for calls. It has room up to 185.35. We'll say it has room up to 185.35, then 186.10. Then 186.10. And if the NASDAQ rejects this 185.51, then it has room down to 182.53. Oh, rejection of 184.51. And it has room down to 182.53.75. Look how the Dow is looking. For me to be interested in the Dow, as you guys can see here, it needs to break and hold over 395.85. So break and hold over 395.85. It has room up to 398.00. A rejection of 395.85, and it has room down to 394.01. So again, if it breaks and holds over 395.85, it has room up into 398.00. A rejection of 395.85, and it has room down. Drink my hot water with lemon. The Russell, a break over 2105.4. They got room into 2128.9. A rejection of this level, and you already know it has room down to 2057. Look how gold is looking. Gold has been pumping lately, man. It's been pumping. It's down a little bit. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin been a little trash. Been a little trash. I would say he needs to take out yesterday's highs, or preferably over 678.45 to target 68.725, then 75.10. Look at SPY. So SPY over 521.62. It has room to 524.46. Again, SPY follows whatever ES does, so you can look at that. I would say a break and hold of 520.83. It has room down to 517.17. SPY. Look at the QQQ. QQQ pick and hold over 443.89 and spike lower and back over this level. And you can look for calls. It has room up to 445.83. I don't mind. Apple. I'm not really interested in playing Apple much, man. At Microsoft. Not really interested. Nvidia. First things first. I guess in video you can take calls over 901.93 and target 913.81. But if over 913.81, if it can break and hold over 913.81, then it has room all the way up to 949.21. So keep an eye on Nvidia. All right, so that's letting me know that it's 8:30. So the economic data has come out. So let's see how the market reacts to the data. What news did coin get? About the government putting the Bitcoin, like $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. That one. So Nvidia has room up to 913.81 and over 913.81. It has room up to 949.21. Oppenheimer raised target price to let's command the adoption of digital. Okay, so I got an upgrade. Interesting. And it should be bullish if it got an upgrade. Tesla. I'm not really interested in Tesla, man. Netflix. I like Netflix, guys. I like Netflix. We get an open over 633.54. We look for pause. It has room up to 646.21. The average market cap of USD increased 4%, 28 billion. So now I'm really liking Netflix. If we can open over 633.54, or if you're feeling froggy, you can try to play the open and drive and see if it breaks out at open. Totally up to you. Pretty risky though. Meta. I like Meta. If it can come back and retest this 510.84 and hold, then I like Meta. So I would say Meta, a retest and hold of 510.84. Look the calls. It has room up to 521.08. 04 matter of fact. That's what I would like. You can also take a retest of the opening print, a retest and hold of the opening print to look for calls. Totally up to your risk tolerance. Amazon. Amazon looks like it's finally gonna go test that 185.69. Looks like it might. Been waiting for this move for a while, man. It got stopped out a couple times, but needs to finally hit that target. So Amazon, a few ways you can play it. You can wait to see if it retests is 182.8, or just take a trend over the open and just target 185.69. Amazon looks good. It looks like it wants that 185.69. Roku. Not interested. Google. Happened to Google yesterday. Had this big spike up yesterday. What is that about? Got these overnight highs. Very interesting. Very interesting right here, Google. I would say if Google can break over 154.93, then you can get some calls and try to target this overnight high here, or 158.62. So if it can break and hold over 154.93, again, look for calls and target that overnight high or 158.62. Excuse me. AMD. AMD can open and hold over 182.31. Can look for calls. It has room up into 185.95, then 190.55. AMD is look at BA. I'm not a fan of trading BA. Really a fan, but it does have room down to 178.96. Got room down to 178.96. It's kind of bear flagging. UNH, Goldman Sachs, HD, Coin. Coin has room up into 263.76. I would personally like a retest of 255.31 to look for calls. I would like a retest and hold of 255.31, and then you can target 263.76 and 267.29. The other way, if you just YOLO it at open, you're gonna play the open and drive and just target right at open, buy calls and target 263.76 and then 267.79. Totally up to your risk tolerance. Cat pretty much at all-time high, so pretty hard to trade. FedEx. I like FedEx if it can open over 279.61. It has room up into 285.05. So I like FedEx if it can open over this level right here. 279.61. If it can open and hold, that looks good. UPS, CRM. It's both flagging. It's been both flagging. You guys can see on a daily. It's been both flagging. Wants to break out. Vital. Vital's another one that's been flagging for a minute. It needs to get over that 20-day on the weekly though. It needs to get over the 20-day on the weekly. JP Morgan. Over 199.62. Got room up into 201.23. This overnight highs from the first crowd. Crowd's another one that's been ranging for a while, man. It needs to break out. Um, you come look like you want to go too. It looks like it wants to go. Keep an eye on that one. Disney. Not interested. Willow. Not interested. Baba. You rain down like heat. Make me a believer. Go to PayPal. PayPal got room all the way up into 67.5, but I would personally like a retest of 65, retest and hold to look for longs. It's just me. TSM, make me. I would like TSM if it can open over TSM and open over 143.64. And look for calls. It has room up to 146.18. TSM doesn't look bad at all. They got room up to 146.18 and 147.52. Couple decent looking names. Airbnb. Oh, we needed to open over 160, 169. And it has room up into 166.63. MU. Pretty much all time highs. Shop. Not interested. EMPH. Not really interested. PanW. PanW, if it can reject this 273.19, then it has room down all the way down to 259.41. You also got the 200 day here at 271.51. So keep an eye on that. FCX. Been printing some. Oxy. Oxy looks good on a daily right here. Got a daily potential 1, 2, 3 here. So I would say over 67.85. It has room up into 69.6. So doesn't look bad. Oxy does not look bad. Lulu. Not really interested. You. VGO. VGO looks all right. Doesn't look bad. Like it's ready to break out. Wants to break out. PTD. Come on, guys, hit that like button, man. Show your boys some love. Like button, man. Share. PTD, I would say if it can get over 88.44, can look for calls and target 90.54. A break and hold. I remember I always like a break and retest, always. SLR. Look bad. Nike. Doku. MT. Look at it. MSTR. MSTR needs to break over 17664.49 and target 1943. It's good though. MCD. MCD breaks 275.07 and it has room up into 270.48. Palantir. Nice little breakout here on Palantir. Nice little breakout. I would like if it would have stayed around 23.12 to then target 24.22. It's a little extended now. Myrna, not interested. CERN, SMCI. Got a couple levels of resistance up here. I would need it over 1075. ARM. I would need it over 131.19. It has room up into 142.43. SQ. Gap under green. Target. Dolby. Let me know if you guys want me to chart anything for you guys. Let me know. Well, it looks decent. If it can break and hold over 1949, it has room up into 2027. Market pumping a little bit. Market is pumping. Oof. Let me know if you want me to chart anything for you guys. Let me look how ES is looking now. You guys swing anything? Make a big one. All right, so ES is we got that open now over that 52.88. So I would love if we can get back that retest of 52.88.75 and then target 53.21.5. Again, SPY follows whatever ES does. So for SPY, you would need a retest of 521.62 to look for calls and then target 524.46. If you're feeling froggy, you just buy calls that open. Totally up to you. I'll personally wait for the retest. I don't really like the chase moves like that. You send the watch list to my followers. I was like an NVIDIA. We got that open over NVIDIA. I like it. Remember, I told you guys I need an open over 901.91. Spike lower back over the open to look for calls and target 913.81. And then over 913.81, that bad boy got room up into 949 to 1. So I like it. Netflix, I love. I would love it if it would get that open over 960, 633.54 and then target 646 to 1. NOC, I don't even know what that is, bro. My computer just froze. Oh, looks like I have charted it before. Interesting. Looks like I have charted this before. Failed break out here. Let me delete some levels. Boy, want to swing some calls. See some of the levels I have on it. You look at the 200. Whoa, what the heck was that? I didn't want to do that. Oh, joint bugging out. I mean, the 200 is right below, so I guess you can wait. I would say a retest of 454.38, retest and hold. You can look, or the safest way to look is for a break and hold over 458.79. If it can get back above and hold over 458.79, then it has room up into 469, then 473, then 480. Not bad. Looks weak. Very bearish candle on a weekly and a daily. The 200 right here at support, so not bad. Looking what I was looking at. I was looking at let's look at Meta. Meta look like it's probably gonna hit all-time highs, which is all-time high is 523.57. So Meta look like it want to go. Amazon Dizzle look like it's finally gonna make the move. Amazon is finally gonna make that move. Again, TSM, I would like it if it opens over 143.64. Target 146.18. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We send some plays for the team, for the Discord. Open. And room up to 146.18 and 147.52. And video about to run. Video about to run. Would love the retest though. I feel like it's gonna go without the retest. Anybody swing anything? Got some hood leaps. What's up, Tiff? Who can just get back over this 154.93? I like it to target these overnight highs, man. Needs to get over there. AMD. Plenty money. Was in my pockets, big face on it. Or like if it could give us that retest of 182.31. Or like if it give us that retest of 182.31 and then target 185.95, then 190.55. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm done. I already got my list set up, ready to rumble. Ray penny stocks, Yodi. Rarely do I trade penny stocks. I have to see a very, very good setup. I rarely trade penny stocks. Gotta be like a really good setup for me to trade it. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button and share. Show your boy some love. I'm so over Amazon, man. They faked me out so many times. They faked me out so many times. Yeah, we're trading live today. Yeah. Yeah, we're trading live, but the electrician said he's gonna come today and switch my amp and give me a 20 amp instead of a 15. He says my office is pulling way too much power than my PCs and all the monitors I have and all the lights that he said is pulling way too much power for that 15 amp. So he's gonna come and install a 20 amp. Hopefully that'll stop my light from going out. Been a pain in the butt. That's why yesterday I didn't really take any trades because I knew that the electrician was gonna come. So hopefully today he comes a little later, maybe like 10, 11. That way I can trade at least the first hour. The only thing with Amazon, I at least I have some leaps. I'm up pretty good on those leaps. So those Amazon leaps are printing. I'm up 120% on the 200 call. I'm up like 315% on the Amazon 170 call. They both expire at the end of next year. So I still got a year and a half. Still have a year and a half on those leaps. So be exact, I have a year and 8 months left on those leaps. So I'm up pretty nice. I just wish I would have went much heavier on those leaps. Let me see. My light not connected. Give me a second, guys. I don't think my light's connected. It's sunny out there today. Tesla? No, I don't have any Tesla leaps. No, no Tesla leaps. I didn't realize I get so much light from here, man. Sun, the sun beaming. My sun is beaming. Hey, Meta looks. I like Meta, but I would love if we could get that retest of 51087. Well, Meta looks like it might not even get that retest. It look like it's just gonna break out. You could use this swing right here, this daily swing, maybe. Use this daily swing. Yeah, Meta look like it's gonna print that open, man. Like he's gonna go at open. Dun, 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 dun. Tesla leaps. I don't think Apple leaps are not bad at all. Apple leaps from down here, 60 some. I'm targeting 200. Apple leaps don't look too bad. If you ask me, the Apple leaps. You guys already know what I'm looking for. Um, The market printing. Hey guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I gotta prepare for my Zoom live live trading that I do with my team. So thank you for your time, man. Hit the like button, share. Peace. Or you guys have any questions? You guys have any questions? Anything you want me to chart for you before I leave? I got like 10 minutes left. Any more leaps? I have the Beto. Let me see. I got the Beto 45 call, 116.6 expiration. That's the one of the leaps that I have. That was not bad. I need to start trading futures, man. That way I don't have to worry about decay or any of that crap. Market is right out of resistance right here, man. Just look at the Nasdaq. That joint pumped. Got some resistance up top. ES though, ES got room all the way up into 53.21. The only thing that adds some slight resistance, well, not slight, at resistance is the Nasdaq. It's that resistance right here. Hopefully, it doesn't reject. Looks good. Yeah, man, I'm so over Amazon, man. Amazon played me. You notice all the swings that I've given, I've gotten stopped out most, but usually a week later or a couple days later, the moves usually. I think I'm getting too short of expiration. I need to get at least like 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks expiration. I've been getting 1 week or 2 week expiration, and it just hasn't been enough time. But the play, 9 times out of 10, the play works out like how I think it's gonna work out. But I just get stopped out due to decay and not having enough time. But 9 times out of 10, the play tends to work out. Yeah, 9 times out of 10, the play works out. I get killed because the contracts decay and the expiration. So I need to figure out. I need to get a longer expiration farther out because I've got stopped out a bunch of times. Then 2 days later or next week, the move finally happens. But yeah, the market's been funny, man. Everything seems to fail. A lot of failures. Not fun. Not fun. Not very fun. Da-dee-da-da, dee-da. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I gotta get ready for my live stream. Well, I'm gonna trade live with my Discord members on Zoom. So I'm gonna holler at you guys, man. Thank you for your time. Peace.